What are my quirks? I talk fast and I move fast, but I get stuff done. Hey, you won't need to put it on double speed. I grew up in a house with a huge benefit, a basement. We don't have those in Florida. I discovered my passion for design in junior high shop class. While other kids were piecing together napkin holders, I was building elaborate display cases. At a very young age, I acquired my first major shop machine, a wood lathe. Soon after, my shop was loaded with machines used to produce my original woodworking designs. All this occurred before I entered college in Detroit, Michigan. Although I studied engineering and machine design, I never pursued a real job. I chose to pursue my entrepreneurial vision, to eventually own a fine woodworking factory. I was young and didn't yet have a concrete mission. That is, until a good friend of mine approached me to solve an issue for readers. Keep in mind that this is prior to e-readers and tablets. While reading books, you pretty much had two choices of pain. If you rest your book on your lap, you'd have to kink your neck to look down at your book. We're not storks. When your neck got sore, you'd raise your book to eye level, kind of like doing a dumbbell shoulder raise. When your shoulders start burning, you go back to resting your book on your lap, and the cycle continued. We set out to develop a simple stand that would hold your book at eye level. That stand became our first generation LEVO. After producing LEVO for a few years, my buddy departed to start another successful business. That's when my fabulous and tenacious wife joined me to continue the grind. But that's another story. At that time, we made it our mission to save readers from the perils of reading-related aches and pains. Soon, LEVO was available to readers worldwide. Years later, the advent of the iPad was like a gift from the tech gods. We jumped on the opportunity to be the first floor-standing iPad stand. We took advantage of years of gathering customer feedback and applied it to an entirely new generation of LEVO. It now held tablets as well as paperbacks and textbooks. Our newly developed sturdy construction was a game changer for home use. It was so well built that it caught the attention of hospitals, universities, and even the Air Force. One new demographic in particular touched me very deeply: children's hospitals. Witnessing bedridden children battling medical hardships really tugged at my heartstrings. With great honor, we've been chosen to provide LEVOs for thousands of children's hospitals. LEVO, positioned next to their beds, brings a world to their fingertips. It's a tiny factor in their lives, but letters of gratitude poured in, each written by parents and caretakers who were so thrilled to see their kids sitting up again, playing games, or chatting with their friends again. These were big improvements in their kids' joy. Another major milestone. Recently, we launched a LEVO for laptops. This came at a pivotal time when our world was transitioning to working from home. Our laptop stand allows a person to say goodbye to being stuck working behind a desk or at a countertop. Rather, you can kick back in your favorite recliner and even enjoy your family while you finish up daily reports. Or have a Zoom meeting. With this new offering, our new slogan became LEVO for serious work and serious play. Two things differentiate us: using top quality construction and materials and offering unsurpassed customer service. During our development process, I chose to develop a premium brand. Each component in our designs is engineered by our team to meet specific objectives. Our primary objective is to build furniture that holds your device as steadily as possible while you surf and type. We don't simply buy ready-made materials and weld them together. We invest in tooling and processes to produce a level of quality that thrills our customers. We proudly list our phone number on our website, and our team of LEVO experts actually answer the phone, are easy to understand, extremely knowledgeable about our products, and are not reading a script. That's funny because I'm reading a script. So many companies struggle to simply talk to their customers. We value that talk or email. It's how we obtain knowledge of our users' needs and desires. The major marketplaces are limiting our ability to reach out to our customers. That is so unfortunate. We're not selling a simple gizmo. Our primary products are built to last a decade. Customers who've purchased a LEVO over 10 years ago still contact us. We look up their orders and know exactly what they need. It might be a simple $2 knob. Rather than trash their entire LEVO, we ship the part and they're back in action. Marketplace customer service doesn't know jack about our products. If you contact them, you'll be out of luck and your perfectly good product will end up in a landfill. That's why we encourage you to buy directly from us. We plan to hit more milestones with LEVO by continuing our high level of quality and our aim to thrill customer service. We hope to thrill you as well.